Hello, everybody, and welcome to another stream and I guess YouTube video of Bored and Drunk. Today we have a special old-time friend guest and my very first girlfriend. Yeah. You poor thing.
It was lovely.
So we have Rachel Craig. Say hi.
Hi.
No, not that one. That one.
Wait for the bottom one.
She's looking at the camera, pointing down.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Hi. So before we get started, we've been on a huge hiatus because of the holidays and such. So sorry for not uploading anything in a hot minute. I have some other content that's going to be coming out here explaining how. Even though we do a lot of drunken stuff on here, it's going to be sobering up a lot for personal and medical reasons. But we have somebody here that does drink. So, Battery. We have to take a drink to everybody who's helped us with our streams and anything else. You guys have all been amazing. We drink to you. Thank you. Even though that's not alcohol, but...
You're still drinking.
I'm
something.
Put sugar in my body.
Oh, get that sugar rush.
Oh my god, can you imagine? Anytime somebody donates money, you have to eat a piece of candy. A piece of candy, and then someone drops $100.
You get diabetes.
No!
Instead of Drunken Dragons and Dungeons, it's Diabetes Dragons and Dungeons.
You have severe diabetes. And
the logo is a dragon missing a foot.
People still donate money even though you have diabetes. Luna, quit eating. You're gonna lose a foot. But they donated.
Remember that time I lost a foot? Yeah, it's great.
Okay.
It's not funny.
So,
serious.
Today...
Serious thing.
Yes.
What are we playing?
Today,
Just like a YouTuber.
Today on Bored and Drunk, we are playing Exploding Kittens that Rachel has so graciously brought over. So, the last time I think I played this, I was pretty pissed off.
Probably.
Because I don't like losing, and some card games are just fucking bullshit.
This is all chance.
So, so Rachel knows the rules. She's gonna help us out. She explained them off screen, off time here.
I didn't hear a thing.
Okay, just read the cards.
just read the cards. And
read the cards do a thing.
5, 5, 5, 6, 6.
She can count. I'm so happy.
Oh my gosh.
8.
No. Okay,
Nice.
we stop at 7. All right, and then you each get a diffuse card that will save your life. Don't let the person know where it is. Shuffle it all. All right. So then
I don't even know where I am, so.
we got 2 more diffuse cards going back in the deck, and 3 exploding kittens, which will
What?
die. You will
No,
die.
I don't like this card. Don't look. What the hell? God. The game's weird. Oh, that was so cute. Oh!
You okay?
No!
Okay. I will go first.
Wait. Who says you can go first?
Wait, wow, I have 8 cards.
I said 8.
You have 7. How many cards do you have?
8?
Oh, crap.
I said 8!
No way, I gave you the diffuse card. The 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, we're good. We're solid.
Are we?
Yeah, we're solid. I
Okay.
got all the best cards. You're going down.
Great, because I'm just going to get pissed off and flip the table anyways.
Okay.
Don't worry, my new computer oh my god. My computer's off on somewhere else, so I'll only destroy the microphone and the
My
cameras.
computer's got giga things.
Giga things!
I will go first,
Giga crunch.
and I will just end my turn by drawing a card.
Go fish.
Uno.
It's your turn.
Alright, well, I'll get little
Either play a card or
Play a
draw a
card.
I mean, I guess you can go. We can
play
go
or
this
draw
way.
a card.
Yeah, you can play as many cards as you want, and if you have a pair of something, you get to randomly draw from someone's hand.
So, we can just literally lay down all of our cards.
Yeah, you can lay down as many cards as you want.
That has to be face up, right?
Oh, no. What you gonna do?
lay down just all my cards, I guess.
So you.
Wait, you want to be strategic
either
about
lay
it.
a
Why?
card
What's
or-
gonna prevent me from doing anything if I lay down all my cards?
Because you might want to save like an attack card for later when you know that there's an exploding kitten.
Oh,
Or
because you just want to survive. That's right.
You're gonna
so I'm
die
gonna lay down a
anyways.
watermelon.
What that? No.
I can't do that! You tried to lay a card!
It would be
So graciously, I lay down watermelon. No. No. Just no.
You can technically do that, but it would be a waste because you're not laying it in a pair, so it doesn't do anything. You're just basically throwing your card away. I'm sorry. I almost found my deck back.
It's just like, I'm gonna eat this burger. No. Okay.
Okay,
My turn.
yes. What you gonna do?
No. Oh wait, no, take your card away. Take your card away.
Okay. Well, then you have to take yours away. No, you have to take yours back.
No.
Then I will lay these two down.
Okay.
No.
Are you laying that down?
Yes.
Okay.
No. They stay there.
Oh, they.
Yeah, they stay there.
Oh, I just
And
don't
these
get to.
cards
I don't
stay-
get to steal.
Yeah, you just don't get to steal.
Okay.
But
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
alright.
Rachel, I'm surrounded by idiots.
Pretty much.
Uh,
No, you guys are great. Alright. I'm gonna attack you,
rude.
which means I don't have to draw a card, and you have to take at least 2 turns. Meaning you have to at least draw twice.
I have to draw twice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can go, but you have to draw
Yeah.
twice.
Alright.
Yeah,
Can I
you
still
can
put
still-
cards down?
Yeah, you can still put your cards down.
As many as you want. So you just throw them all down.
Ah! Oh wait. Can I do this? Not draw any cards.
That is, you can skip one of them. So
Okay.
you still have one.
I gotta skip one of them.
And your turn with that. Done. Oh, wait.
And
Portable sheet of
then I'll
blood.
draw my other one. There you go.
What you gonna do?
Oh, it's my turn. Okay, I am going to see the future, which I privately view the top 3.
Don't rearrange them.
I'm not. Okay. So I'm gonna set those there. Okay, and let's choose. I can only draw one card at the end of my turn.
Yes.
Okay. Otherwise, I can't just like draw all 3.
No.
Okay. Okay, well then I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to shuffle the deck. Look into my eyes and tell me I'm pretty.
You're beautiful.
Oh. What is that from? That's
I
from.
don't know.
It's from ever ago.
I have no idea. But I remember it being a thing.
What was the thing?
I think
That and Hannah screaming out, "Bat!"
be it.
Yeah.
Alright, and then I end my turn by drawing a card. Oh, shit.
I'll put it in my deck.
Okay.
God damn it.
Yeah.
So I just drew an exploding kitten.
So it goes back in the deck since you diffused it. You
Okay.
can put it wherever you want.
So I diffused it, and so I can put it wherever I want. So I just placed it right back on top of the pile.
I will attack you.
Oh, rude, you son of a bitch!
You me again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I put
Ah.
that exploding kitten card on the top
I'm
of the
just
pile.
trying to save my own butt. It's nothing against you.
Aha.
Wait, so you don't have to draw a card?
Wait, I have to draw 2? Yeah, I have to
Yeah.
draw 2.
Yeah.
So you don't have to draw one now?
Ah, there you go.
Shuffle
Yes.
the deck.
Oh!
Good move. Good move.
You guys are going so down. I almost have a bingo.
These cards are so weird.
Oh my god. I was confused about one of the cards, what it said. I was like, what?
Okay. Then I'll draw my first one. Motherfucker!
Oh no! You just drew different exploding cats. Alright, but you have to put this one back into the
And
pile
remember,
somewhere.
you still have to do one more turn.
Wait, anywhere in the pile?
Yeah,
Anywhere.
you want.
Anywhere.
But remember, you still have to draw one. Okay.
Mother... No way!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Are you dead?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah.
Yeah, you're dead.
Poopy.
You're going down.
Alright, so my turn. You have to place that back in the deck.
No.
No?
That's
Yeah,
how I killed
now
Because
him.
it killed
he's
him.
dead. Yes.
Okay.
Interesting, interesting.
Hey, no.
Oh, you didn't do your turn.
I don't want that card now. Yeah, I don't want that card now.
It's,
I'm calling Law of Surprise because you looked at it.
Alright. Do what you want. Still going down.
Son of a bitch.
Wow.
I didn't die, but just... God damn it. Go.
Well, it's the same card.
Oh, shut up!
2 potatoes.
Aha.
How do I have to shuffle it and have 2 of
Oh.
the same cards right next to each other?
Alright.
Oh, wait. You just drew.
Yeah,
my turn.
I'm ending my turn. But you're gonna go down soon. In the soon future.
Every player, including the one who's holding this card, must choose one card to shuffle into the draw pile.
Okay.
There.
Last one.
Bingo.
Okay.
What's the name?
I'm going to do this Curse of the Cat Butt. Choose a player, you, and they must shuffle and keep their cards face down until they draw a card. So you have to just shuffle your cards, lay them down. You can't. Oh, you only have one card. That was so stupid. I did not pay attention.
You're the one.
Wow.
I just said Uno or Bingo, whatever the fuck I just said.
You say a lot of things.
Your face is a lot of things.
Bingo.
I don't just. No, it's too late.
Too late.
I'm gonna shuffle.
You ate the
deck.
cake.
Oh, cake was so good.
That
Good.
cheesecake
Oh.
was delicious.
It was so good.
I want more cheesecake.
Shut up, no one's talking to you.
Ah!
Ah.
Oh, nice. Yes, sir! Rachel, I'm not afraid to hit you. I will go to jail again.
No.
No. I had a diffuse card, you son of a bitch. I just picked it up. It's like, nice. Oh, I thought you laid down only one. Oh, wait, yeah, that's what you drew.
Just give me one of your cards. You get to pick.
I don't like this fucking game. God damn it.
Okay.
You don't like games where the point of the game's to fuck other people over.
Oh yeah. 'Cause you
I think that's
drew.
what it is.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay.
just for fun. I
What?
pick one of your cards, and I lay it out facing outward in your hand until it's played or stolen.
Okay.
So I just basically know what it is.
Okay. No, you draw.
I draw. You're gonna die.
I am probably gonna die.
Yeah. There's no way you can beat me.
You sound like an anime villain over here.
There's no way you can win, Rachel.
Okay, good.
I have the high ground. I have less cards. We are playing golf. Wait, is my turn or your turn?
Your turn. I just
Okay.
drew a card.
Jesus fuck. This is so intense. I hope this is entertaining for you guys as it is for me.
That's why I'm yawning. Get that extra oxygen in there from my gasping.
I will skip my turn.
Oh wait. Does that count? Because I laid those two down.
Yeah,
and
you
so-
laid those two things.
so
That's fine.
Now I draw a card, or
Yeah, you still have to draw
Okay.
your card.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You must give me one of your cards. What? I don't know where. Why are you being nice? She just gave me a diffuse card.
Can I show them what I got?
Huh? Yo, you show them.
Yeah. I don't know how. I have a special card that allows me to do that.
Oh, you have an exploding kitten in your hand. You son of a bitch. Ah! You think you're fucking funny, don't ya?
A little bit. Alright. What are you... Okay, fine. Oh my gosh.
Nope.
It'd been funny if she just went and stole back the card she just gave me.
Okay.
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 Okay. What? Just shuffle the pile.
You played it. You shuffle it. This music is making it very intense.
Have you ever had sex while camping?
Yeah.
I heard it's fucking intense.
Oh my god. Just yeah.
We're having fun. Fun. God, I hate card games.
Did you draw your card?
Yes!
Okay!
Ah!
I'm looking at the future. Okay.
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 My turn?
Yeah.
Did you draw?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, I'm stealing one of your cards. I almost got the bomb, didn't I? God damn it. Okay, so... Yeah. No. Oh, do I still draw?
Yeah, if you haven't.
After I draw one of yours?
Yeah, because that's still ending your turn.
Okay.
Okay. Ah.
I don't like this, how she's like so happy about everything.
This is fun. I'm sorry you died.
What's that?
I really don't think he cares.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yes, this is exciting. Okay, so Nikola Tesla materializes as a pigeon, and he teaches me things.
Okay.
Okay? So I get to view the top 5 cards and put them in any order that I please.
Okay.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
We're using an expansion pack called Streaking Kittens.
Streaking.
3, 4.
Still getting frame rate drop.
It's probably our internet.
It is the internet, yeah. I'm sorry, our internet sucks. But if you're watching on YouTube, it's not an issue.
We can upgrade our internet.
Right?
Someone ultra.
Come on, woman.
Hey.
Today.
Landlord. For having shit internet. Or to let us get better internet, at least.
I'm swapping the top and the bottom.
Are you gonna draw a card?
Yeah, I still have to draw 2 cards so far. I don't think I can do anything to stop it. Okay, I'm good.
My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I already knew that. Okay. This is...
Did you draw?
Yeah. Aww. No. No.
Wait, she's one player. Blind. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
I'm gonna draw a card. Oh man. Oh man. This might turn around just yet. So I'm pretty sure I gotta shuffle. Must shuffle and keep their cards face down.
Face down.
Until they draw a card. Okay. So if I want to play anything, I have to play it. And...
Yeah. Right. So my turn, right? 'Cause
No,
I draw.
I still... Oh wait, maybe. But there's only 2 of us, so I think that's...
Yeah, do I draw a card now?
Oh yeah, if you haven't drawn yet.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh man! Oh, I don't know if I want to chance this. Because I could lose some very valuable cards, but that could be a kitten.
Yeah.
And here's the kicker with this one, though. If that is a kitten, I have to just play my cards till I pick my diffuse card.
Really? Oh, I did not know that.
So I might lose all of those cards. Oh, that was really scary.
Have we not gotten to another cat?
I don't know. This is like a long game for this. But there is only 3 of us, and he was out pretty quick.
That's
so.
what she said. Alright, my turn?
Yeah. There's not that many left.
There's only 5 cards left.
Alright.
Alright. Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah. You gotta finish.
Privately view the top 3 cards. I have to draw? Right?
Unless,
Okay.
yeah.
Whew.
Well, I know what that is now, so I'll just skip my turn. Wow.
No.
No, you can't nope a diffuse.
No, I said stop.
No,
I noped your diffuse.
You
You're
no,
dead.
You can't nope a
Rachel,
diffuse.
you
It's
are
the
dead.
only thing
You are
can't
dead.
nope.
You can't not. She's changing the rules. She's changing the rules.
Go. Wait. Yeah. Wait.
You,
Yeah,
no,
I drew the cat. I drew the cat.
she keeps making these fucking stupid grins.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I could have placed it wrong. I think I I'm gonna attack you. Oh crap! Oh.
Oh no!
Win!
Fuck this fucking fuck you! Fuck you and your fucking stupid game.
I still had a defuse left and that.
What was the last card? Was the last card exploding one too?
No.
That's pretty intense though.
There's round 1.
See, quit hitting me with your
Oh,
tail.
well, thank you for stopping by, Sigma. Have fun at the Furball. Love you. Love you.
Do you want to play again or play different?
I don't want to fucking play anything with you. Ever.
Okay.
I just win at card games all the time.
If we were playing video games, you would be crushing me. When we play board games, I crush you. It's fair.
Yeah, but when you come over, we always play card games.
We can play a different game.
Well, we'll play Rocket League later.
Oh.
Oh.
I think I got everything out.
But then I'm gonna force you to have 5 shots right in a row. Every time you win, you have to take a shot.
Oh, I'm gonna die of alcohol poisoning.
Going Bears.
You really should give her some gummy bears. You must eat a gummy bear every time you draw a card. Rules are rules. I don't make them. They just show up.
Ugh.
This is called Born and Drunk for a reason.
These gummy bears are too big.
Okay.
Harder to swallow.
You're supposed to
Wait.
chew them.
Are we playing this one
I
again?
don't know. I just
Yeah,
wanna
we can play one more
swallow.
time.
Okay.
That's the point of gummy bears. You don't have to chew. You just...
No, I mean, that went on longer than I think
Yeah.
it normally does.
Because that's around 30 minutes. So you
That
can
was-
do another session, unless if it's really
well,
short.
I guess there is the expansion pack. I didn't think about that. There's a lot more cards. There's not a lot more cards, but there's 10 more cards.
You're a lot more cards.
I am a lot more cards.
I am a lot of Morta Carta.
Why are you speaking in tongues?
Alright, guys. Time to get crazy.
But you already are crazy.
I am. That's the best way to live.
It is. It really is. And I appreciate that about you.
Okay.
My hands look like they're constantly swollen, or like I'm sick.
They do a little bit. I'm sorry.
I don't. It looks like I'm just constantly
You
ill.
Have salt problems? Have you had your electrolytes checked?
I drank a bunch. I mean, Gatorade. Or I
You're
drink
probably okay.
7.
No. 5.
6,
7.
5.
4. 3. 7.
8.
Why am I counting that? I don't need to be drunk.
I want a diffuse, please.
You don't get any.
Oh no!
Okay. I even gave you a diffuse card because I had 3. And I thought I would be nice.
And look where that got you. It just made the game go on longer. You selfish bastard.
It did. Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm ready. Who's going first? You can go first since you won.
Yes, okay, that's fair.
Oh, that Zeke down there. I was like, what?
Alright.
Felt something hairy. Scary Terry, scary Terry. Scary Terry isn't scary. Let me rotate computer.
Here, what's that?
Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh, I accidentally grabbed 2.
Yeah,
But I just took the top one.
we're just gonna.
No, give that to him.
You already saw it.
I know.
It was
Right.
bomb, wasn't it?
No. It was a good one. I'm trying to help him out.
Well, you shouldn't have looked at two.
It was an accident.
I'm an accident. Alright. Go, hon. Go, hon. Wait. You didn't lay anything down.
Yeah, I just threw. Oh, right.
Were you
off the
attacking?
bat.
You.
He's attacking
Me?
you.
Yeah, 'cause I
Why?
love you. 'Cause I love you.
Fuck you and your fucking chicken strips. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Kai.
Okay.
Wait, are you done? Did you draw?
I just had to
yeah,
draw
you did.
two.
You took your two. Give me one of your cards, whichever one you want. Whichever one you so kindly feel like giving me. And you can give me one too.
What, give me 1, 2.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
My turn.
Sounds like Rocket League music.
It does. It's my turn? My turn.
Mhm.
My turn.
I forgot I could play stuff before I drew my cards. Whatever. It's okay.
Your turn, baby.
Oh, you drew all?
Mm-hmm.
Battery, give me one of your cards.
Oh my god.
Wait!
I know, I forgot.
You son of a bitch!
I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm gonna take one of your cards. Isn't that the one I just got from you?
Yeah, except you play it here.
Oh, okay. And, I'm gonna do it again. Okay. And...
So now if you play a double, you could steal one of these because you could see them. That would be the advantage. Also, you know what I have.
Wait, what'd you say the first thing?
Like if you had a double, like a pair, and like you wanted this card, you could just take it because you know what it is.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that, but okay.
Well, I mean, because you can see it. It'd be the same as picking from my
Alright,
hand.
I'm good. Somebody else go.
Okay.
Meh.
What you gonna do?
Ghostbusters?
Oh my gosh. Have you seen the new one?
The one with all the girls? No.
It's amazing.
I've heard the exact opposite from a lot of people.
No!
I've heard a lot of people said it was bad.
No, it's so good. It's so freaking good. Who is telling you these lies?
A lot of people. Yeah.
Oh, whatever. I think it is phenomenal and they're hilarious. They're
I
just
don't-
mad
I don't
because it's
see
not
that.
the original.
And I don't have to draw a card.
It's better.
Okay.
I think it's better than the original. Maybe.
Okay. My turn's up.
I will attack you with my back hair.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh.
It just goes like in the order.
Oh, I thought you could choose.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's kind of like Uno.
Okay.
Oh, I should
Yeah,
sit
I'm good.
forward.
Okay, you're
So I
good?
can't see his hand.
Oh, you're looking at his cards.
No, not purposely. That's why I sat forward. Oh, there's a dog. Hello, doggy.
You have permission to punch that dog. Right in the face. Punch him. So hard.
Alright, everyone pick a card to shuffle into the deck. Okay.
Nope.
How about I nope your nope and make it a yup?
Is that how that works?
Yep.
So I still have to...
Yep.
Right
Alright.
there, one does.
Okay.
You could just keep noping on top of nopes on top of nopes.
Just noping and noping and noping and noping.
But a nope and a nope makes a yup.
2 rights don't make a wrong.
2 notes make a yes, though. Make an okay.
I have to think about it. 2 rights could make a wrong, but I don't know if 2 wrongs could make a right.
3 rights make a left.
It does.
It does.
Wait, you don't know your directions.
I know it doesn't.
3
3 rights do.
make a left.
3 do.
That's what he said.
I heard 2 rights make a south.
Backwards is south.
Okay, you heard it first from Rachel, everybody. If you turn twice, you're going south.
2 rights make a south.
Every time
Never fails.
the earth
Forget the
rotates
sun.
under you. Just
Forget the stars. Just make 2 rights. Okay, I've shuffled enough.
if you have a pair of any cards,
No, it's just
the goofy ones.
yeah.
Okay.
my turn?
Wait, so did you end your turn? Did I? Wait,
That was you. That was you.
That was me then.
Okay, so you
So I gotta,
draw
yeah. Okay.
a battery.
Check Rachel.
No, it's me.
No.
It goes in order.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
I thought we could pick who we could. Never mind.
All right.
Okay.
Are you watching my facial expressions? Oh.
Ugh.
God damn it. Do I have to lay this down now?
I think so.
God! Ugh! You're lucky I don't just kick your ass right here! You think you're fucking hilarious, Rachel.
It's all chance.
I know I've been sobering up.
I'm just a good.
I know,
person.
but you make me want to drink.
Don't drink because of me.
I'll drink with you. Okay. But I guess I'll play this and...
Oh, I can't nope that. I got nothing.
Oh, you have my card now. You son of a bitch! God damn it! That didn't make any fucking sense. My head is hurting.
It's getting really warm in here.
Alright, so...
This game is heated.
Do I... What just happened?
It's me.
Okay.
Me. Oh, I got it. I go. I'm gonna draw a card here. Okay, I'm good.
Oh yeah, I have these cards. I forgot about them.
Do you, though?
I could have shuffled. It's okay.
It's
Alright,
okay.
your turn, baby.
My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'll take a picture. Oh, let's make it more
God,
interesting.
fuck, my head hurts.
Are you stressed out?
It's right here.
I'm sorry.
Don't be stressed. Be depressed.
I want to play a nope card right after you get done shuffling, so you have to undo what you did.
It doesn't work that way.
Yes, it does. You're supposed to count cards, loser. God, you fucking suck.
My turn.
Yes, I do. I do. I'm like all out to get you.
You guys suck, both of you.
I'm sorry. I just felt bad because he was out so quickly last game.
You're out?
No, he wasn't last game. I just felt bad.
The last game,
Yeah.
You
he
came
was-
out?
I got out.
He was out like at the start.
Of the closet?
Yes.
Wait, what just happened?
You don't know. You're fine.
No, wait.
No, you're fine.
It was his turn?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I'm good. Okay. So
Oh, yeah, you did.
Okay.
Okay.
I did my thing.
Okay.
I played my cards and
I
got
went.
my
Go,
card.
Rachel.
Wait. I think I did that wrong. Oh.
Alright, your turn, hon. Wait, you see the top 5?
No, top 3.
No, it says 5.
There's 5. It's 5.
Oh, I didn't even pay attention to that last time. There's top 5 ones. That's nice.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Oh, it's splendid.
Excellent. Yes.
Alright, hun. Just put them back down.
What if I was reading a card?
Alright, so now you have to draw.
Or he can play more cards.
Alright, yeah, it's true. You can always play more cards.
Come on, you can always...
Maybe I'll
Indubitably.
swap the top and bottom card.
Oh no.
Hey, hun, just.
I'm
Never
gonna
mind.
laugh if that's still...
Wait, no, that's underneath. And then I'll draw that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, my turn?
Yeah. Shuffle the whole thing. Okay.
Because you saw what was going on.
I'm messing up.
How have we not hit more exploding cats? I know you have one in your hands.
Because there's only 3, because there's only 3. Well, yeah, there's only 3 because there's 3 of us, and there's... We could have kept the expansion pack out. But being able to hold the exploding kitten is interesting.
No, I have to draw.
I do that every time.
Okay, but I'm first going to see into the future. Top 3 cards.
So you shuffled it, and then now you're gonna see it.
Yeah, but, I mean, that way I'll know. Oh, wait, hang on. Let me see this again. Okay. Well, I take my first top card.
Here you go.
My God.
I mean, it's fair. It's fair. I do have a cat in my hand.
You went, hun?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
That's not, I should have played that card. Oh well.
Alright, so you have the satellite butt cat thing. How many exploding cats can you hold? Only one?
Yeah.
Okay. Good to know. Good to know. So one's in her hand, two's in the back. Did you just draw?
Yeah, I drew.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Oh.
just
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh.
You lying?
I didn't even he's like a ninja.
Yeah,
He's like
I
a
know.
secret player over there. I hold shit.
God fucking damn it.
Oh,
I was gonna play something. I was gonna be super nice too. This is gonna fucking do something. And no, let's not do this. Let's do this. And then
I'm gonna alter the future. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that one will be nice. That one will be nice.
Hey, puppy. Buddy.
the fuck are you doing? Put the cards back down. Draw a card. Right, your turn, hun.
Me?
Yeah.
Rachel shall be blind.
Oh, no!
So she's lying?
Yeah, she's blind.
I'm blind. I feel like they should make it like...
Alright, so it's my turn?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
The heart of the cards.
Wait!
Skip, not draw one.
Wow! She's just drawn whatever she wants over
I
here.
was thinking about the attack, and it's not an attack. I drew a card.
This fucking sucks. I was really hoping that she set herself up to get a bomb.
No, I'm smart.
Are you though?
I am!
Are you though?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it, but I am.
All right, your turn, hon. Fuck you all. Fucking done! It's so fucking done with this goddamn shit.
I wasn't trying to purposely defeat
What?
you.
What? Wait! Wait!
Messed up the
Wait!
turn.
Wait!
It was you! You did it to
Fuck
yourself!
you and your chicken
You
strips!
did it to
You're lucky I don't drown myself. Or the dog. Or him.
I'll just take your apartment. Go do it.
Fine. Fine. I will.
Alright.
Fuck this fucking game. God, fuck.
Eh.
I hope you're having fun.
No one's having fun.
I'm going to kill you later.
Here, cat.
Hi, Zeke. It's okay, baby. Hi, honey. My poor puppy. He's thinking that something is actually wrong.
Oh, poor puppy.
Okay. I pick a card at random and then I put it in front of you. Okay.
Okay. Alright.
Hi, baby. Hi, Zeke.
Okay. We're getting down to the bottom.
You already had a shot. I'm gonna make you take shots when we go downstairs.
Okay.
And the gummy bears don't.
I'm
Ah!
not done. Okay, perfect.
I'm so sorry if I bottomed out the microphone as well
You probably did.
from screaming.
Alright. Okay, skip me.
Skip me.
I'm gonna skip you.
Hi,
Give me a
baby.
card.
Oh, he's probably hungry. Don't worry, honey. We're almost done.
Oh, do that.
When do I draw a card now?
Yeah, I don't think you've drawn yet.
Even after I placed the card?
Yeah.
Oh,
See, that's how you end your turn.
Alright.
What do I do? Oh. I might die. Alright. Thank goodness.
I saw that. She stole your diffuse. She rigs these games up. She actually thinks that we're having fun. We're playing. No, she knows actually everything. She's actually a master card counter. She knows everything that's going on.
I told you I'm secretly smart.
You're just...
It's so scary. Everything is scary right now. I feel like
I'm gonna laugh my ass off. And batteries just.
I feel like that was
battery's
it.
just holding on to a bunch of exploding
feel
Kittens
like
and
that-
not saying anything.
I feel like that was it. I felt like it was on top, so I shuffled it. I just had a feeling. Woo! Alright.
Oh, my baby. Look at my baby. My baby. Oh.
Nope!
Oh, no. Oh, no. No.
Nope! No, I can't do that.
I might have just messed myself up.
See, honey, hang on, we're almost done. Hi, sweetie. Hello.
Okay.
Hi.
Alright, you ready?
You're such a good boy. Yeah.
Oh, no. I'm going to see the future.
That next one's the exploding kitten.
Wait, I still have to... Oh, yeah, I just ended my turn because I drew twice.
Alright.
Oh!
I should take that.
Skip! My turn! No! I've died.
Honey, you did it!
I still had another card left.
Oh my
You
god!
defeated the beast!
I
You did!
did! We took down the boss!
We're free! The shackles are gone!
Retire on a high note.
Oh, also another rule you didn't know: if you lost, you had to take a shot. The gummy bears don't count, so you're up to 3 shots now.
What?
thank you for joining us on today's stream of Bored and Drunk.
One of these counts.
No, it doesn't.
I have like 5 of them.
I don't care.
We count. No.
It's been great. We plan to get back into streaming here, and
If you're not drinking, you can't make other people drink.
That's not how this works.
That's
It's
how
Bored
it
and
works.
Drunk.
That's how it works.
So thank you for all joining us in this episode of Bored and Drunk. If you liked what you saw, you could leave comments, or if you didn't like what you saw, you can just tell me to fuck off too. That works. I mean, you can. Nothing saying you can't.
At least maybe you found a cool game. I am an avid board gamer, so I do recommend it. It's easy to learn, quick, fun, good for parties.
No, it's not.
And the cards,
Fuck
we didn't
you,
really
chicken
get to see
strips.
much
There's
of
a
them,
card
but
on
they
the
say
ground.
really funny,
Zeke
weird
has it.
stuff.
Yeah, but oh, poor Zeke. But thank you all for joining us on this stream, and if you're watching on YouTube, thank you for joining us on YouTube. If you like other content, please go watch us. We have other weird drunk stuff that we do. Rachel's unfortunately only on this one currently, so if you enjoyed Rachel, she's only here for this time.
I can come back.
Oh, you can?
No, you're never coming back.
She doesn't know where we live.
I mean, unless you all hate me, whatever.
I mean, a
I'll
little.
come back anyways.
But thank you for joining us. We will see you guys on the next time. So bye.
Bye.
The next.
Stop.